let's get this started. Got some Kingsford, the original. So let's light up this bad boy. Light it up. I did about halfway. Yeah, that'll get going once it burns down. Yeah, there she is. Beautiful. Alright, let me just place it on there, get these coals going, and I'll dump it right in there. I'm gonna keep these two bottom vents closed, this one wide open. I'm gonna shoot for a temp of, I want to say around 250. See if we can get it on there, and if I need to, I'll adjust the vent if I need to bring the temp down. But that's the plan when it comes to lighting this up. And then once that gets going, and I'll bring you on with the meat. Alright, I like what I see. I don't want to go too much any longer, because then, you know, they're gonna burn up pretty quick. So let's get it. Just like that. Alright, so got that going. I'm gonna let it burn for a bit. Yeah, so I'll bring it back when it's time to put the meat on. Alright, there we go. Pork loin, Texas country style ribs. It's gonna be delicious. Seasoned with salt and pepper. So let's get them on. You can see I did add a water pan. Not so much just to catch the drippings, because I want to keep this kettle as clean as I can. You know, we'll see. I am using it to cook on, so some people I've been seeing on social media, they unbox it and then they don't cook on it. They just leave it as is, because they don't want to do that. You know, they don't want to mess it up or anything like that. But me, you know, I want to cook on it. But yeah, so we got that going. So yeah, we'll see how long they take, and they take how long they take, right? But it is right there, looking good. Alright, so there's a Kingsford. I know eventually soon I'm going to have to add some more. As you see, they're hashed over pretty well white. So, yeah. But yeah, looking good. What do you think? Look at her. Beautiful, beautiful. Alright, so it's only been an hour. But that's what the Kingsford looked like. So eventually I'm going to have to add some more. But that's what it is. Yeah, so I'm gonna let it go ride for a little bit more, but it's looking good. There it is. Damn. I added some more Kingsford briquettes, because we're dipping down on the temperature of the kettle. So yeah, so we'll get it back up to temp. Yep. Yeah, ain't she a beauty? I may take the temp up past 250, but yeah, just look at it. And all right, let's check out the fridge. What should I drink? Let's go with some Tecate. Right? All right. Let's check it out. Yeah, looking good. Looking good. Love it that you can see the black pepper. Oh, you know it's gonna be so delicious. They're not done yet, but man, they're getting there. And there it is, the Kingsford. We still got one side still black, so eventually those will hash over, and then if I still need more time, I'll add some more. But looking good, getting that color. Yeah, it's been a good Saturday. Look at that, man. Just love it. All right, let's just continue on. All right, let's check it out. What are we going for now? Let's go with you. Well, I gotta bring out the light because you can see it's nighttime. All right. So how's it adjusted? Too bright? Too good? Is that good right there? I think that's good right there. So let's check it out. Oh yeah, look at that. That's what you want right there. Oh man. Let's zoom in. Just look at that. Just look at that. That is just beautiful, beautiful. The salt and pepper. Just look at that. And then there it is, the Kingsford. You got the neighbors right there. They're just jamming. That no, they're just jamming. But look at that. They listen to that Black Street featuring Dr. Dre. That 90s music right there. But look at that. Man, just look at that texture. You're just popping. Crackle and pop, right? Alright, well, I'm going to take them off and let it rest for a bit so I can bite into them. Cheers, everyone. It's just been that kind of day. Just been hanging out. Just hanging out, feeling pretty good. Got the Star Spangled Kettle going. But alright, so as I do this, if you can hear with the neighbor bumping that Tupac, gotta love it, gotta love it. But here it is. I mean, as you saw, just the texture, the color, the way it looked, beautiful. Smells, I'm telling you, when you do, you know, I don't know how it ranges from state to state, but my HEB, they do it Texas style, country style ribs, basically just cut from the pork loin, and it's just shaped into, you know, just the way it looks. But whenever you're cooking it, I'm telling you, especially in the kettle, you can just smell the pork. You can smell the pork. And that's when you know when it's cooking, when it's going great. And then when you look at it and you see the texture, the color, that's when you know it's cooking and it's done. So, without further ado, here he goes. right away. You taste the pork. But you taste the pepper. What I usually say though, you know, you can't take it internal temperature to 145 and it's good, but no, take it past that, take close to 200. You won't be disappointed. Man, I gotta say, it's been a productive day. You can't tell, but I'm sick. I cut the yard in this hot ass heat in Texas. It's been burning here. Oh man. Oh, and then barbecuing and then drinking. So yeah, but I do it for the love of everything, right? Love life, right? Man. All right. So this was just a cook on the kettle, the Star Spangled Kettle. Got saluted. Well, yeah, it's been a good day. It's been a good day. It's been a real good day. And you know what? The night's still young. It's not even 9 o'clock yet. So the neighbor's bumping that Tupac. I want to bump my music. I still got some brew left in my fridge. So we're going to have a good time. So if you got your brew, if you're drinking it right now, if you don't, go to your fridge, get it out, pop the top. Cheers, everyone. Life is good. As always, thanks for by. Thank you for watching. Smoke on, everyone. Gotta love this Star Spangled Kettle. See you in the next video.